Welcome to Bodor Dream Park. This site sits on 51 acres of land with a total building area of 2,500,000 square meters. This investment is a staggering cost of $100 million. Bodor Dream Park is our symbol of commitment to the future of laser technology. Our production area spans 80,000 square meters with multiple automated production lines. This solution allows us to achieve billions of dollars in annual production. Supported by a growing number of branches and service centers, Bodor is always ready to deliver the highest quality products with 5-year warranty. As a place where global laser innovation comes to life, Bodor Dream Park will be the heart of our partnerships and collaborations around the world. Welcome to the future!
Bodor, dare to dream.